Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick little project share. As you guys know, I've been doing a bunch of craft with me videos. I did a craft with me with you guys. Let me bring you down a little closer. Showing you guys these bag toppers. And I did make a few items behind the scenes, so I wanted to share with you those today. And if you guys want me to make some of these with a craft with me video, just let me know and I'll do it. As far as handmade cards, I have a video already with a craft with me with traditional Halloween, so I figured let me just make some pastel Halloween ones off camera and then just show you guys as a project share. I made 2 different cards and this is what they look like. You guys, I think they look so cute. I'm going to show you guys this one first. So I did the same concept. I did the stitching all the way around and then the layering as a crisscross. I used some of the cards from the Pastel Halloween from Little Hot Tamale collection. I'll link it down below. A bunch of cutter parts, the little pieces, the little ephemera pieces, cute little bow, and then the enamel dots, and then a little doily tucked back here. So that's the first card that I made. The second card has tons of layering. It has the matting in the back, and I used the cute little bat paper from the collection, stitching all the way around. And then there's the polka dot paper is the first layer, and then I used this fabric that I had showed you guys that I found in my stash. I put that right in the back, and then I had this cute little library card that I stitched on, another little bingo card, another little ephemera piece. There's some cheesecloth peeking through, cute little like spider web heart with a little pink googly eye. And you guys, it's so cute, dimensional. I love it. So I made these 2 cards as well. And then you guys, I made some vellum memory decks cards, and this is what they look like. So it does have the shaker in the back. And look how cute these turned out, you guys. Tons of layers. All from the collection. I used a bunch of those veneers that I had altered. I put this cute little bow on her. I love the way they look. If you guys want to do memory decks cards, I can definitely do a video like that. Then there's this one. This one's another fave. Look how cute, you guys. And this one is also a shaker made with the vellum paper. So these are the 2 that I've made as far as Pastel Halloween. I want to know what else to make. I don't know what else to make as far as Pastel Halloween, so please leave me comments down below letting me know what you want to see, whether it's embellishments or you want me to do a card one with you guys or a memory decks one with you guys. I also made this cute little shaker. So cute, you guys, using the sequence mix from the Paper Cherries kit from this month. I love it. But that's everything that I've created so far behind the scenes, other than the little bag toppers. So please leave me a comment down below what you want to see. I was thinking about making those little flag embellishments, maybe some circle embellishments with the Pastel Halloween, and something else. Let me know, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.